Happy Friday morning, Kurt.
And welcome to Kobe.
Kobe, yeah, great to be here. Beautiful day, it looks like. And boy, were we lucky yesterday. I guess it was the lucky amulet at the shrine that opened up the great views late yesterday as we were leaving of Mount Fuji. So that was very unusual. What's going on today?
Today we're going to go see highlights of Osaka and see a shrine, another shrine, and some other highlights within Kobe as well. So it's going to be a full day, about 6 hours. So, and then tomorrow we'll go see Kyoto.
Kyoto, Kobe. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
So now, we are heading to Osaka. Now we are in Kobe city. Kobe and Osaka very close. To get to Osaka, it takes about 1 hour.
「 quite the walk out here. And this we're gonna have lunch today. It's a sukiyaki place, which is what Kurt's been looking for a long time, and the guide said it's really good. So, and she would know. So let's go sukiyaki. Yeah, good.
Delicious.
Correct. Super good.